Okay.
Morning.
Sergio's going to teach me how to fish Colombian style.
Yeah.
Colombia River style, right?
Yeah. We have different kind of fishes here, like this. Look, weights, not so big. Hooks, the same. Some animals, small animals, worms, like this.
It's like
also
bug larvae.
Yeah. Also, we use this kind of device. This is a JOJO. The name is JOJO. You use. Look, this is easy to use. You put this. Say 1, 2, 3. Send to the water and wait. And food is coming.
Awesome.
That's the idea.
Can't wait to try this out. That's gonna be fun.
JOJO. It's a JOJO.
JOJO.
You can travel with it in your car. I put one always. Wherever I go, oh, stop and try. That's good.
Awesome.
Look the birds.
Coming to the river. We run across this fisherman. He fishes for a living. Stays out here. That's how he makes his living.
Amor,
Muy
¿se puede
bonito.
correr, amor, un poquitico para yo coger la red?
This is where we're fishing today. This is our fishing spot. How amazing. That's waterfall coming off the mountain in front of our fishing spot. Okay.
This is the JOJO. 1, 2, 3. After that, you wait.
See? Now he's getting ready to do these slits, which is breaking up something in the fish.
Sound.
Yeah.
Take care.
That allows you to eat it.
Only,
Now you're breaking it, right?
only the same size, 5 millimeters. Like a chef.
Yes, like a chef. Phenomenal.
My problem is I am an engineer, so everything is like this.